Hello friends, welcome to B.ED Solutions. Today I am presenting the third lesson plan of English grammar for B.ED third sem. Now this is a plan of English grammar and the topic is sentences. As you can see, we'll start the plan with name of pupil teacher, name of school, subject that is English grammar, topic is sentences. I have made two lesson plans for sentences because there are 4 types of sentences. 2 types I have shown in one plan and the other 2 types in the 4th plan. So I will be sharing both the plans in one video. Then comes the general aims, specific aims, teaching aids. Over here I have used model and chart showing different kinds of sentences. Then the previous knowledge is there. Then comes the introductory questions. Now we ask the introductory questions to reach the topic. Hope this is visible to you all. The statement of aim is that today we will be studying about sentences and types of sentences. Then comes the presentation part. Then the teaching method in grammar is always inductive and deductive method. Then comes unit 1. Now the pattern of grammar is different from that of prose and poetry. Again here we make 4 columns: teaching objective, teacher's activity, student activity and blackboard work. But here we start with the presentation. First point is presentation, where the teacher will give few examples of the sentences. Students will listen carefully. In the blackboard you will have to write the examples. Like I've written, I have a pet dog, his name is Bruno, Bruno likes to eat biscuits. Then comes the generalization part, where you will be explaining. Like I've written, there are examples of small sentences. We will join words I have, pet, a dog to get meaningful sentences. Okay, then examples are there. We'll give some more examples like I've written in the blackboard work. Then comes the meaning part. Okay, here the teacher will be explaining the meaning of sentences and the same will be written in the blackboard work. You can use such miniatures to show the blackboard work to highlight the sentences. Accordingly, you will write the examples. Then comes the application part. Here I have written appreciation, but it is actually application, where you will highlight the sentences you've already written on the board. Okay. Then comes here the first unit ends and the comprehensive questions will come. Then we'll start with the second unit. Now in second unit again the columns will be same. We will start with presentation. Now the topic is kinds of sentences, so there are 2 kinds of sentences. Same heading we'll write in the blackboard. Now comes the explanation part. First is type. Like you can see in the blackboard, I've stuck a miniature showing there are 4 types of sentences. First is declarative sentence. Here we'll show the meaning, the examples. Then comes the application part. Then again in the next page we'll explain the second type of sentences, that is interrogative sentences. Again we'll start with presentation. I have stuck a miniature for this. Then generalization, then meaning of interrogative sentences. Then we'll show some examples, then application. And then again there will be comprehensive questions of unit 2. After this, in grammar also we have to state recapitulatory questions which are always objective type. Then comes the classwork, which is also objective type in this. And then in homework, you can give a question of write 3 sentences of each kind, declarative as well as interrogative. Then the signature part is here. So here one lesson plan is over. Now the next lesson plan, in which the other 2 types of sentences I have explained, that is lesson plan number 4. I am doing this in continuation only. Again, the same headings: general aim, specific aim, teaching aids, previous knowledge, introductory questions. Then statement of aim, presentation comes. For the convenience of teaching and learning, this unit is divided into 2 units. Method will be the same, inductive deductive method. Then we'll start with unit 1, imperative sentences. First is the presentation part, where the teacher will give some examples. Students will listen carefully. Then comes the generalization part. Here also some examples are given, like I've stuck a miniature of 10 imperative sentences. Then the meaning will be explained by the teacher. Then comes the blackboard work, as I've explained. Imperative sentences give either command, demand, or instructions. Then is the application part. Then the comprehensive questions will come for first unit. After this, we will start with the second unit. Again, the same headings will be there: teaching objective, teacher's activity, student's activity, blackboard work. Presentation, exclamatory sentences are being explained in this section. Then generalization. Then we'll explain the meaning of an exclamatory sentence, examples. You can give 3 to 4 examples. Same examples you will have to write in the blackboard work. Then comes the application part. Again, comprehensive questions will come once unit 2 is over. Then we'll ask the recapitulatory questions. These are continued over here. Recapitulatory questions can range between 3 to 5. Then comes the classwork, which is always objective type, as I've told you all before. Then the homework part, and here the lesson plan will end with the signature columns. You always need to make 3 columns. First is signature of pupil teacher, then guide, then signature of supervisor. Please like and share this video. Thank you.